Hello, nice
Hi,
to meet you. My name is Sahil.
Sahil. Nice to meet you. I'm Aisha.
I'm from India and I live in New Delhi. Where are you from?
I like New Delhi. I have visited New Delhi twice.
Oh, do you enjoy the Indian food?
I love Indian food. It's my favorite food in the whole wide world.
Hmm,
Yes, I
okay.
really. I
I
miss
also
I miss India. And me, I'm from England, but I live in Vietnam.
okay.
Do you know Vietnam?
Yes, I know.
Well, you're very clever. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Well, 8 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't have.
Oh, okay. And where in New Delhi do you live?
In New Delhi, we can say
Mm.
Noida.
Oh, I don't know that one. I always stay near Paraganj. Do you know?
No, I don't know.
No. The last time I came to India, I went to a wedding. My friend was getting married in India.
Okay.
Yes, that's great, isn't it?
Yes. Visit India Gate? You visit India Gate?
Jaget? No, I don't know that place. Where is that?
That is a big place and that is the India Gate, the Gate of India. Don't you
Oh,
visit?
yes, yes, I've seen that. Yes, I have seen that.
Okay.
Yes, definitely. Where is your favorite place to visit in Delhi?
New Delhi.
New
I also
Delhi.
like India Gate. India Gate.
You like India Gate?
And Lotus Temple. Do you know Lotus Temple
Oh,
also? Lotus Temple.
yes, very beautiful.
Do you have visited?
Yes, I have visited it.
Hmm. Okay.
I like to visit many temples in Delhi.
And Red Fort also. Red Fort?
Oh, yes. Yes, yes, I have seen that one too. Have you been
Oh,
to the Taj Mahal?
yes.
Oh, wow, you have.
Yes. Means why I think means why you have visited mostly all the place in the New Delhi, Red Fort, the Gateway of India, Taj Mahal, Lotus Temple.
What about Chat- Chattarpur? How do you say? Chattarpur? CH.
Yes.
Let me. I don't remember how to write it.
Hmm.
CHHATTAR? I'm guessing.
No, no. Chattarpur, I don't know. Maybe it's a temple. Temple.
Like this. I think this is the name of the temple.
Chattarpur. Uh-huh.
Let me
Let me think.
see.
Maybe spelling is wrong. Cannot.
Maybe, maybe, maybe.
I don't know.
I don't know too. Oh, and how is the weather? Is it very cold now?
No, no, no. It's not very,
No?
very cold. Means why it's almost sun shining brightly here.
Oh, lovely. That's great. Excellent. Okay.
Okay.
Would you like to look at this lesson? Let's begin the journey.
Yes.
Great. You're very, very good at English.
Listen. Respect. Repeat. Hello.
Good.
Maria. Mara is
Maria.
Maria. Hello, Maria. It's so nice to meet you. Let's travel together.
Great. Well done.
Hi, what is your name? My name is Sahil. Where are you from? I'm from India and I live in New Delhi. Nice to meet you.
Great. Nice to meet you too.
Hello, greetings. Hello, how are you? Hi, how is it going?
How's it
Responding.
going?
Responding. Yeah, how is it going? Responding. Pretty good, thanks. And you? Doing well. What about you?
Very good. That's excellent. There are many ways to say hello to somebody.
Yes. Meeting someone new. Hello, how are you? Good. Thank you. What about you? Pretty good. My name is Mari. I mean, Maria.
Mm,
Maria. I'm
Marion.
from Maria. I'm from Brazil. Where are you from? I'm James. I'm from USA. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Well done. Very good reading.
Where do you
So,
live? Circle the country. Which country do you already travel to? Hmm, I live in India. Hmm.
excellent. Have you ever traveled to another country?
No, I don't have, but I would like to travel.
Where would you like to travel?
There some places I like to travel. I like in Japan and USA and Russia. Three countries mainly I like
Ah,
to travel.
okay. But where in Asia? Because Asia is very big.
Okay. Means why Japan in Japan, Tokyo, in USA, in USA, Washington DC, and in Russia, Moscow.
Oh, in Russia. Ah, I see. Wow. That's very great. So, if you could close your eyes now and appear in one of those places, which one would you choose?
Uh, let me think. Russia,
Russia. Oh, why Russia?
because in Russia now it's very snowy place, and I like snow.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
It's not too cold for you?
It's cold, but I like.
Okay, wow, you're very strong. I could not go to Russia with all the snow.
Talking about travel. To say where you want to visit. Where do you want to visit? I like to visit Japan. To explain why. Why do you want to go to Japan? Because I love sushi and anime.
Anime.
Anime. Anime.
Yes, that is the kind of cartoon and comic book that they create in Japan. So let me show you what kind of art it is. Like this style.
Okay.
So if you see this movie, this is
Okay.
called anime.
Okay.
Okay. So
Excuse
why do
me.
you want? Yes?
Can I upload this video in my YouTube channel?
Yes.
Can I
What
upload this? Can
what
I upload
video?
this video that we are talking?
Ah, you want to see it on YouTube?
No, I'm saying can I upload this video in YouTube?
Upload?
Yes. Means what publish?
Oh, you mean our Cambly video?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not actually sure about the answer to that question. I think you have to ask Cambly about
No,
that.
no, no, no. Cambly has allowed you. What
Oh,
about
for
you?
me? Yes,
Yes.
absolutely. That's fine. I have many videos on YouTube.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. You are more than welcome. So, why do you want to go to Japan then, Sahi?
From my side, because I like to go to Japan because in Japan it's very technology. Japan is very digital place. We can say. I've heard that Japan works with solar energy.
Wow, so you're interested in renewable energies and technology?
Yes, and you know the Mount Fuji, the Mount Everest, where the sun in Japan the sun rises first. Means why the sun rises very fast.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. That's very interesting.
Okay, and you know in Japan there is Mount Fuji, and it touch we can say clouds. It touch clouds.
Yes, it does touch the clouds. Yes.
Talking about
I went
travel.
to
Okay,
mhm.
you go
I
ahead.
went to a mountain in Indonesia that also touched the clouds, and it had a volcano in the middle, and we could cook food and vegetables on the steam of the volcano.
Oh, okay. But Mount
Hmm?
Fuji is not any volcano, we can say.
I don't think any volcano, it has to be inactive.
Yes, we can say
But this one,
it is in very, very inactive volcano.
yes, it's called Mount Batur that I went to.
Okay.
Okay.
Talking about travel. Listen and repeat. So you learn English to travel. So you are learning English to travel. Where do you want to visit? I like to go to USA and Canada. How about you? I like to visit Saudi Arabia and Turkey. Why do you want to come to the USA? Want to go to New York?
Hmm. This one, you don't always have to say A, like here. Why do you want to come to the US?
US. Okay.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so you already told me why you want to travel to Russia and Japan.
But
So, why do you want to?
I like travel to Russia and here Japan is very small here. We can
Hmm.
we can see here there and in USA.
And why do you want to travel to USA, to
USA, I
Washington?
like in USA. I like to travel because USA is also a digital country, and in USA everyone speak English, and there's many things I like in USA.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Very good. You don't want to go to England?
In England, yes, I like in USA. I will read it.
I think India is better than England. Don't worry. Okay, great.
What is your best or worst trip ever? Talking about the trip you went on that was great or terrible. Your tutor will ask question. Take turn with your tutor. The best
Okay.
trip I had was I went to Can can you tell me teacher? CN
Cancun,
Cancun,
Mexico.
Cancun and Mexico. What made the trip so great? I loved the beach, nice weather, and the food.
Okay, great. So, can you
And,
tell me that your best trip ever?
I don't have visited any country, but in India, I visited many places. I'm talking. I like the Gateway of India. I enjoy there very very lot. The trip was very nice
Okay, and why was it very, very nice?
because I sit on a toy horse and eat many delicious food.
What's your favorite food to eat?
I don't have the food, but my we can say it's water balls. In Indian language,
It's
we
what?
say it in water balls. In Indian language, we say pani puri or golgappa.
Oh, pani puri. Okay, yes, I like pani puri.
Mhm.
And what do you call it in English? Water
Water balls.
balls. Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Hmm.
And how did you travel there?
We can say it's near to us, then we do not need to go by the train or the plane.
Okay. Take a tuk-tuk or drive a motorbike or car, taxi?
Taxi, you can say.
Taxi. Okay. I like a tuk-tuk.
Okay.
Yes, great. Well, we just have 30 seconds left. So thank you so much, Sahil. You have
Okay.
a great student today. I'm very happy to meet you.
Okay. I will talk to you again.
I hope so. Give me a high five.
Hmm.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye. Nice to
You're
meet you. We have
welcome.
not much time left now.
I
Bye.
know. Take care. See you.
Bye.